Let's make this very easy crochet advent calendar. It's beginner friendly. The pattern is free on my blog. I go through everything you need to how to make the squares, how I attach them, where I got these numbers from. All the instructions are there, including the C2C grid for the background, which will take you no time. It is a very quick and mindless project. I'm going to go through all the instructions and how I did this. And this is something you can keep for years and years. I'm going to show you exactly how to attach it to a stick or a pole, whatever you want to do, and all the fun things that I included inside all of this for my girls. Here is the pattern for the granny squares. It's only 2 rounds. They will take you no time. You're making 25 squares. Again, everything is on my blog in the free pattern. It'll show you exactly how to make those squares. Now I'm going to show you how I attached it to this stick. We are going to double knot it so that it's secure. And I love the way this looks wrapped around the stick. You can use a pole. You can find anything you'd like to attach it, but I really like the look of this natural wood. We are going to put the hook through your background there, pull it from the back, yarn over, and we're going to pull through both loops. I'm going to show you that again. We're going to insert the hook. We're going to pull it from the back, pull it up. We're going to yarn over, and we're going to pull through both of those loops. And you're going to continue that exact motion until it is completely attached to the stick. So really wouldn't take you long at all, and something really easy and fun to do. For any project, really, if you're doing like a macrame or a wall hanging, this is exactly how you would attach it if you are crocheting something. So it's that easy. Again, all the steps and everything is linked down below in the free pattern. I did a border on my granny squares. You do not have to do that. And I decided to do a green border where the red was and a red border where the green was, but you do not have to do that. That was just optional. I just liked how it popped on each of the colors. For the red and the green, it showed like opposite colors. So that was just my choice. I'm going to also link down below where I found these numbers. You can buy them online. They are not expensive, and there's so many different designs to choose from. This was a lot of fun finding things for my girls to wake up to every morning. And this is something they can keep for years and years for their family too. On my blog, I have over 80 patterns. They are all free. othcrochetnook.ca. Like and subscribe for more yarn tutorials and yarn crafts.